just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trace People's Tips. Like I don't know, people sometimes elevate it, but never mind the segment. Anyway, welcome to Trace People's Tips. Look at this, okay? That's damp and mold. And if we go up the top, you can see it. It's everywhere. It is just everywhere. Around the windows, everything. The whole lot. You can see the windows, all the thing. Right, now how are we going to deal with that? Or how we're dealing with that? We have a bucket, we've screwed off our broom, and we have our broom in there. And what we've done, we put some bleach and some water in there, sort of a 50-50 mixture. And we're giving it a good old scrub down. Then we're going to give it a good old wipe down. And then we're going to find some kind of mold treatment for it. I'm not sure what we're going to use yet, but as I figure it out, I will let you know. But this is the stage we're at the moment. And here's our bowl, there's our broom. It don't matter what broom, soft, coarse, whatever. Coarse broom, you might find it starts flicking everything everywhere, and because it's bleach, everything it hits is gonna leave it spotted. So if you've got your shoes, your curtains, if you're gonna take them down. These ones we're gonna take down and chuck in the washing machine. Again, actually what we'll do, we'll take them down, put them into soak with some bleach and see how much of the grime will come out before we chuck them into the washing machine. But at the moment, we're at this stage. If I move that, you can see that the woodwork is knackered, practically knackered because it's soaked. And one of your main reasons for that is ventilation. You got to make sure you have your vents open whenever you possibly can during the course of the day or whatever. Just give it a good, open up your windows, let air circulate through your house. This is what encourage damp, no ventilation. Okay, so we're gonna clean this up, give it a good old wipe down. You can see the difference in there comparing to there. Okay, so we're gonna crack on with it and try and keep on top of it if this is yours, because what will happen, all the wood will just start to deteriorate, just rotten away basically. Yeah, and before you know it, you need new windows. So for the meantime, we're gonna just carry on giving it a good old scrub with our brush, clean it all down, and then let you see. The other thing you could use is those little spray bowl you can get, bleach and water, spray all up, then get your brush on it. Okay, so we're gonna crack on and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back and this is where we're at. We've done our cleaning. You can see outside and up the wall it's a lot better than it was, but it's not 100%. But where if you're what's the word I'm looking for? Tempted, that's the word. If you're tempted to try, you know them abrasive thing on here, don't do it, because all it'll do is take the paint off, right? And then you just eventually end up back to needing your walls repainted. But we've done a good clean and it looks pretty good. But one thing I must say, we tried opening the window. You can just see a little bit of vent there. Yeah, we've opened our vents on both sides, but because our window is kind of sticky, we're not going to force it, because the only way we can close it is to pull here or pull there. Now, we may get away with it, we may not, it's up to you to try. But if it does come unstuck and you rip that off or you rip that off, then you have more problems. So the best thing for me to do now is to go outside and push it back close. So if you're upstairs somewhere and you won't be able to close it, or you think you won't be able to close it, don't do it, because then you're just going to end up giving yourself a lot more drama. But as you can see, we're happy with our results so far. So what we're going to do next is take the curtains down, stick them in the bath, put some bleach in it, leave it for however long we can spare before we sticky in the wash before we stick it. And every time you hear me talk like that, it's because I'm distracted with something else. There's always something on my mind. What do next? Yeah. Anyway, people, from tradespeople's tips till next time. For all those who are out there robbing people, stop doing it. And for those who are not, God bless you and don't start. Temptation is out there, but don't start it. You hear me? So we're gonna go outside now. Give these windows a wipe down, because off of this condensation, there's nothing you can do about it. But marks like that may be on the outside, so we're gonna just go wipe it down, push it shut, and hopefully that'll do the job. Later.